What's up, it's Matt, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do the moonwalk in 3 easy steps. So let's get into it. Now the first thing, all you gotta do is take your back foot, put it up on the toe. And it's important that you're not just like this, like a little on the toe. You wanna actually get up on that toe, and your back foot is gonna slide back like this. Now, you'll notice a really important key here. When I slid this foot back, I didn't let my heel come up, and this is the biggest mistake that people make. When you slide that foot back, you wanna keep your foot flat, heel flat to the ground. Now, all I'm gonna do here, step 2, is switch my feet. So now, this one is on the toe, and again, I'm not here, I'm trying to really get up on that toe, and I'm gonna take my front foot, keep it flat, and I'm gonna slide it back, and I'm gonna switch. That's really all that it is. But getting the timing of this and the weight change is what's challenging. Now the illusion to this comes in when you slide your foot flat, but you're not putting weight on it into the floor. And this is why people say it's easier in socks, because your foot slides. What you actually wanna do, here's the real secret, is as I slide this foot back, there's no weight on it. My weight is all on this toe. So I could literally, I'm not even touching the ground. Like I could touch the ground, but you don't even have to, right? And that's where the illusion comes in. That's why you can do it so smooth, is because there's no weight on it. Switch, and when you switch, all my weight goes onto this toe. So this foot is free to slide really smooth. Switch, good. Now we gotta speed it up a little bit. This is the fun part. Boom, immediately slide. Switch, immediately slide. Switch, immediately slide. Switch, immediately slide. Now all we have to do is take out those small pauses and we got it. So you have 6, 7, 8, you go push, 2, 3, 4. And there's your moonwalk. You can do a couple other things to add to this. You can push off at the beginning. You could do like Michael, grab the hat, kind of add some other things to it. But the main thing is just practicing. This is gonna take a little while. And once you get this down, it gets a lot easier to do other types of glides. You can really turn it into a lot of other things that I'll do in some later tutorials. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.